Hello everyone. Today we are going to tell you about hashing algorithms and their applications. Before going to start, let's make it clear. What's a hash? Is it a hashtag symbol on Instagram? Well, not really. It's a lot more than a symbol. There is a deep math behind hashing algorithms. Very much like other encryption systems, hashing algorithms work with large prime numbers and difficult math operations.
So, what is hashing? Hashing is a method of cryptography that converts any piece of data into a unique string of text. Any piece of data can be hashed, no matter which size or type. Hashing is widely used in authentication systems to avoid storing plain text passwords, but it is also used to validate documents, files, and other types of data.
So, a hash function is a mathematical function that converts an input value into a compressed numeric value or hash. Basically, it's a processing unit that takes in data of arbitrary length and gives you the output of a fixed length. Almost every hash is unique. The hash function consists of many math operations, and they are not adding or subtracting as usual with Caesar cipher, but they take large prime numbers and multiply the value by them. It's a one-way function.
Now, let's talk about applications of hashing algorithms. I think everyone knows Shazam. Shazam application is exactly working with hashing algorithms. Firstly, it will take hash values of all popular tracks and keep it in their database. And whenever you input a new music, it will listen and it will create a new hash and it will compare to the hashes that are already in the database. If they match, so you will get the name of the track. Another example is about digital fingerprint. Let's say you have a valuable document or important paper and you are going to share it with someone else. And you don't want that person change your document or delete some items inside of it. So before sharing it, you will create a hash value and keep it with yourself. Whenever you receive your document back, you will create a new hash again and compare with the hash you did before. If they match, don't worry, your document is not changed. Another example is password verification. Whenever you sign up for the website, it will ask for your new password. When you input, they will create a hash and they will keep hash value in their database. And next, whenever you want to log in, they will ask you your password and they will immediately create a new hash value from your password and compare with the hash value that is already in the database. If they match, that means you have the same password as you did before while signing up, and the website lets you in. Another important application is cryptocurrency. I hope everyone knows about Bitcoins, and the reason why they are so stable because they are built on the hashing algorithms. The blockchains made through mining process are based on the hashing algorithms. Since hashing algorithm is one way, there is no chance to crack the hashing algorithm, which means blockchains. That's why many hackers try to crack Bitcoin, but no one succeeds. But if you can do so, you will crack a wallet with $700 million. And there is a reason why some hackers don't like hashing algorithms.
Тебе не интересно?
Ну что?
Почему биткоин не взломать?
Потому что каждый блок хэширован. При этом хэширование блокчейна одностороннее. Так что блоки нельзя разбить и узнать код. Теоретически, но 5 лет назад, когда...
Бесит, да? Бесит. Идем дальше.
The importance of hash in password storing. Even though a hacker managed to get into the database, he cannot do anything with a strong hashing algorithm. Since hashing is a one-way algorithm, the hacker cannot get the hash with a strong hashing algorithm, or the hash cannot be converted back into the original key. But if the password is kept as a plain text or behind a weak hashing algorithm, so it is in a big danger.
Here we have collected some examples of cracked database. Even though all of them are well-known tech companies, they failed in storing their users' passwords. While some of them kept users' passwords as plain text, others used weak hashing algorithms that are not stable against brute force attacks. First example is Russian social network, very much like Facebook, called ВКонтакте, lost 100 million users' data, including their plain text passwords.
And LinkedIn, that lost 164 millions of emails and passwords that were kept behind a weak SHA-1 hashing algorithm, so most of the passwords were easily cracked. Or Domino's Pizza website lost their user's password because they used MD5, which is not stable to brute force attacks. There is also Yahoo, who received injection attack from hackers that resulted in the breach of 500,000 users' plain text passwords.
These and other examples from Casa website or Adobe Corporation should teach all the web developers about the importance of storing passwords using secure and strong hash algorithms. The web platform is responsible for its every user's privacy.
After examples of bad cases, there is a good one as well. The Dropbox company uses very good password keeping system. First it takes a hash of the plain text, then it makes it strong with other hashing functions called like bcrypt or adding salt to the previous hash. Adding a salt makes a hash function even more complicated. On top of all of this, they use advanced encryption system to keep their database in safe.
As we know, strong password is the most important thing in order to keep your data safe and secure. On May 2nd, a Google survey form was completed by 41 UCA students in the Naryn campus. The three diagrams on the screen represent the result of the survey. As you can see from the first diagram, majority of the students use more than 12 characters in creating their passwords. Minority of the students use between 6 and 8 characters, and the average of the student use between 8 and 12 characters. The second diagram shows that most of the students' password is a mixture of numbers, letters, and special characters. However, other students use only the mixture of numbers and letters. The third diagram shows that majority of the students change their password once a year. Minority of the students change it every 3 months, and the average of the students change their password every 6 months. So analyzing all these data, we came up to the conclusion that the overall rating of the students' password literacy is 72%. We would like to suggest students that if they want to keep their data safe, they need to create strong password, where they should use more than 12 characters. And their password should be a mixture of numbers, uppercase letters, lowercase letters, and special symbols.
And here you are. There is a bonus from our super team. We have created a website where you can try our hash generator. It will generate your data into 5 different hashing algorithms immediately. MD5, SHA-1, SHA-256, and SHA-512, and RMD-160. You can also check your password vulnerability. If you input any string, the website shows how long it will take to crack this type of password. Go now and check if your password is stable or you need to change it or improve it.
Have you ever thought that you can be a hacker? Well, there is a chance. You can experience it in our website. We have created a feature to crack any MD5 hash that you want. Our website will give you the plain text of MD5 hash in 3 seconds or even faster. We could do it with the help of database service called Rapid API.
This is the ending of our presentation. Hope you enjoyed it and gained new knowledge about hashing and how important it is. Now you can use our website and protect your data even better, create long passwords, and make hackers' life even more difficult. Thanks for watching. Stay safe physically and virtually as well. Don't forget to support our group by giving a like and writing a comment below.